Hey guys, JJ here. So today we're going to talk about the most important thing you can do to take your ride into that next level where you're confident out on the road. And this is the thing that most people ignore, that most people don't do. And there is getting enough seat time out on the road. Let me explain. So most people that I know just go to a driving school, learn from them, get their license, and from that point on they don't really go out riding just for the sake of riding. And I understand because we don't really get time to do that, right? So most of the people I know, when they get their license, they just start riding around, going to work, back home, and that's mostly the extent of the riding they do. So what that does is force you into riding just the same routes over and over and over again. So you're faced with the same situations over and over and over again, and that's where your development stops. Because when I first started riding, I started late because I had a little accident when I was sneaking off riding without my license, and that kind of scared me and put me off getting my license. So yeah, I started late, but when I did get my license, the first thing I focused on doing was just spending, I think, about a week just riding around everywhere in Male, and I mean everywhere. And that forced me to learn a bunch of situations, a bunch of roads, and a bunch of techniques to be able to safely navigate my way around. This is the trap I see most people getting into, getting their license and then just start riding their daily whatever schedule rides. So it's usually to work from home and then back, and that's it. And then on the weekend they might go somewhere, but that's also just mostly around Male or to Hulmale and back. So you're not forcing yourself to learn new roads. So from not learning these new roads, you are most of the time depriving yourselves from getting into and learning how to deal with a lot of different situations. So here's what I want you guys to do. If what I talked about just explained you and your riding, here's what I want you guys to do. So yeah, I understand we might not get enough time to just go out and ride around because yeah, life gets in the way. But yeah, as a minimum, at least as a minimum, just take different routes back from work. So every day take a different route. If possible, get lost and then find your way back home. This will force you into a lot of different situations, and this will force you to react and learn about a lot of different situations. And of course you will learn more about navigating your way around Male. So yeah, this will elevate your riding a lot in a short while if you keep doing this. I mean, it doesn't take much extra time out of your day. You're just taking a different route back from work every day. Do this for a week, come back here and tell me if you don't see any improvement in your riding. So yeah, I hope this helps. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.